Good morning again ako. So, Benny and Jane Marie. Anyway, we are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Okay, is there anybody here in this room today who wishes this union to be stopped? Ada ako kumontra ating wedding? Wala, very good. Let's continue. Sige, isang ko kayo dalawa. Hindi mo na, Benny. Okay, Jane Marie, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Yes, very good. Benny Jr., are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? And dalawa, you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Okay, very good. Sige, tatanong ko kayo Benny Jr., will you have Jane Marie to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you shall live? Yes. Very good. Jane Marie, will you have Benny to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Very good. Okay. Anyway, our rings are the circles of forever. Mga nagaro. Muna ka, Benny. Alam mo ni Jane Marie, and follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, on. Sige, same. Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. One. Good. Sige, sumama kayo with the parents nyo. Nangka, naman tayo yun. Ibigyan ka sa. Sige. Pag-ayo, bigyan kayo pagka. Sumama kayo dyan. Bigyan kayo pagka. Tayo. Payong daligan ka sa ta. Kinay tayo.
Kurang muna tanha.
Benny and Jane. Siyempre kayo. Apa? Meron. Nah. Masyadong na. Tumama kayo ito yung mat. Kaya naman tayo yun yung
Tayo. Kaya ding. Magsinagandang kayo. Nagsisipit kayo. Nagsalupan kayo para ipamilayo. Kasama tayo inyo. God bless. Nagsa, kapya, yung panlili.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
Ayun din. O nabilininong-ninong sa mga po siya. Naman tayo yun ang tama.
At hindi pa yung kanyaya, pwede ginayat kayo, pwede kayo apa, salupan kayo para kanta. Agin ginayat kayo. God will give you all the protection in your married life. Congratulations. Jane, Jenny Junior, Pedro Tapa, Basita Navarra Bayo, Matthew, Sabi Jakarta, Sabi Pagkakal Maganda Matthew, Sabi sa Nag-Graphic,
Thank you. Thank you. Sige, sumama kayo doon. Yung manager, i-manager. Oh, anamit as a husband, anamit promesa ang pinyanan. Naranito.
Bilang mga asawa, ang mga pagsubok na magkaanan, ikadwasa ng Samuel, ang problema ng kapit ko mga bakit. Hanya nanti kurang saudara rumah, memakai rumah, cara mohon kisawali na RT kondisi kayo na pamilya, naman dari anak ko, kondisi kayo, ilan pa.
Salamat, Jane Marie, anamit kahit may bagay sa husband mo.
Namahali kita ng buo na yung panamat sa mga anak mo. Lahat ng pagsubok at problema sa dalawa. Sa hirap na namin hawak sa katan.
Very good. Sige, ikaw lang siya man. Follow after me man ha? Manager. Manager nyo. I hereby take you, Jane Marie. I hereby take you, Jane Marie. To be my wife. To have and to hold. To be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Good. Jane Marie, follow after no sa I hereby take you, Benny,
I hereby take you
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart, one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
and
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until the birth
By death. This is my solemn vow. Okay. Okay. By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I, Benjamin Loren Cuaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore pronounce you husband and wife. Okay, Tan, you may now kiss the bride. Pagkurayin nyo, di ba?
Ngayon nyo di kami nakano. Sige.
Okay? Sige. Magpirma. Sige, gining nung ina, ang witness kayo man ako di magpirma na. Sige, witness.
Dito nang ba ng markas na? Kuya dito ba? O kapis ah?
Nakapirmahan siya?
Congratulations.
Sa likod pa po.
Nasa likod pa.
Kasi nagkasama na po sila ng matagal. Article 30 po po.
Ay, ilan years?
Nang apat na po yung anak nila.
Ah, 10 years my dear turn. Sapat, mga hindi na pala yan. Solid na. Usually, ilan years pa dapat? Parang
5 years above po.
dahil kasal ko iti, first time ko nga mayor. 60 and 57, 58 parang ano. Almost 40 years ka naman kasama. Kailangan na lang gawin yung marriage certificate gawin agad-abroad ka anak na. Anyway, you're taking the ako. Ito sa ako. Galaw dito. Sige na. Okay.
Ano po? 1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3. Okay. One, two, three. Isa pa po.
Okay, with the family, with the family taga. Family members. Problemahin na natin yung nalilong.
O, Jay, duwa na lang. With the family, Jay, ubing. Sino dyan anak niyo? O, apang ka dyan. Yan. Family picture. Mm-mm.